Good day everyone. This is Infinix Hot 10 Play and the screen is bad. You can see it's totally bad. So we want to change the screen in a simple step. Alright. Just follow me and let's go. So what you have to do, you open the back cover. The next thing you need to do, try and locate the battery and disconnect the battery before you do anything. So I need my screw to unscrew all the screw on the phone. So here is the battery. I remove the battery. The battery is out. Then you look for baler to bile it out. The battery is out. The next thing is here. This is the downboard cover. You remove it. Let's go. Disconnect the charging flex. After that, you bring out the screen. It's out. So what you need to do, you clean the edges very well for the new screen to sit down properly. So let's go. So what I normally use is I use pin needle to scrape the edges very well so that all the former gum, everything will remove. So after the proper cleaning, the next thing to do is to apply your gum. You make sure all the edges are clean so that the new gum will be able to sit down properly. So this is the new screen. I want to fix laptop on the phone. Here is it. After you finish applying your gum, you place the screen inside. So after placing the gun, you hold it with your rubber rim and you allow it to dry off before you finally fix the battery and the downboard back. So let's wait for a few minutes. So the next thing now is to couple this downboard, is to cover the downboard. After we fix this one now, the next thing to do is to fix the screen and the battery. Alright, I think it's dry off enough. Now we fix the screen and the battery. First of all, you fix the screen first before you fix the battery. Followed by the battery. Then you fix the battery. After you fix the battery, you close the battery compartments. Then you can screw them now. Unscrew them now. After you finish the couple now, you test the phone. Right? The phone is back to life. Thank you.